In this video, I will show you exactly how to run a professional data report printout summary overview using Typeform. This is an incredibly useful feature when you need to visualize your survey results quickly and share them with your team or clients in a polished format. To get started, you need to navigate to your main workspace and click on the specific form whose data report you want to run. Once you have opened that form, look at the main menu panel located at the very top of your workspace screen and click on the Results tab. Immediately after you enter the Results section, you will see a sub-navigation menu directly underneath those top tabs. From here, you should select Summary. This page is fantastic because it automatically generates visual data summary cards for you. You will be able to see detailed charts, percentage breakdowns, and the total response counts for every single question you asked in your form. It provides a comprehensive bird's eye view of all your gathered information without you having to do any manual calculations. When you are ready to prepare this information for printing or saving, look for the button labeled Generate Report and give it a click. This will compile all those visual cards into a clean and organized report viewer window. To finalize the process and get your physical copy or a digital document, simply click the Print button or the Print icon located in the upper right corner of the Report Viewer window. Your browser will then open the standard printing dialog where you can choose to send it to your printer or save it as a portable document format file for easy sharing via email. This streamlined method ensures that all your hard-earned data is presented in a clear and professional manner every time you need it. It really is that straightforward to turn your raw Typeform responses into a beautiful summary.